Hello students, welcome to Eganeet. In this video, we are going to solve question number 5 from HERONS formula exercise 12.1 class 9th NCERT. So let's read the question. The question is, sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. Find its area. So we have to find area of the triangle. We are given the ratio of all sides. It means we are given the ratio of measures of all sides, साथ में perimeter भी दिया हुआ है. तो करना क्या है हमें? So let me give you the hint to solve this question. ठीक है? Now 12:17 is 25. What is perimeter? It is sum of all sides. अब we don't have the sides, तो हम क्या करेंगे? रेशियो दिया हुआ है ना, बस इसको आप कॉमन मल्टीपल से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. So this is your hint 1. From here we'll have 12x, that is the first side. 17x will be the second side and 25x that will be your third side. And अगर हमने इन सबको ऐड कर देंगे तो it should be equals to perimeter which is given as 540 centimeters, right? Now solve this equation, find the value of x. After that, find the value of all the sides of the triangle and then use HERONS formula. So this is your hint number 2. After that, use HERONS formula. Right? Chalo, use this hint, try to find out the answer. Let's actually do it now. See, the ratio is given as 12:17:25 and therefore the sides of the triangle will simply be sides of this triangle will be 12x, 17x and 25x. Now we are given the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides, so perimeter will be equals to 12x plus 17x plus 25x, but perimeter is 540. 12 plus 17 plus 25, so 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 2 14, write 4, carry 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. This is 54x. So we have the value of x as 540 divided by 54. It means the value of x will be equals to 10, right? Now from this value of x, let's find all the sides of the triangle. Well, the side 12x will be equals to 12 into 10, which is equals to 120 centimeters. Second side 17x will be equals to 17 into 10, which is equals to 170 centimeters. And the third side will be equals to 25x. It means 25 into 10 will be equals to 250 centimeters. Right? Now that's the first step. अब हमारे पास तीनों साइड जो है वो आ गई हैं 120, 70 and 250. So let's me write, suppose this is 120, this as 170 and this side as 250 centimeters. And we have to find the area. As we have all the sides of the triangle, we'll use HERONS formula, right? So 120, 170 and 250. These are the sides of the triangle. Let me write again. 120, let me call this as A. Then B equals to 170 and C equals to 250. Let us go back, let us check it. 120, 170 and 250, right? Now we have perimeter as 540 centimeters. So from here the value of semi perimeter will be equals to 540 divided by 2, which is equals to 270 centimeters, right? Now let me find the values of S minus A. S is 270, so 270 minus 120 will be equals to 150. Then let me find out S minus B. It is 270 minus 170, which is equals to 100. This is all in, you don't have to write the units, but it will always be in centimeters. S minus C will be equals to, this is 270 minus 250, which is equals to 20, right? S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now let's recall HERONS formula. Area of the triangle will be equals to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now this is will be equals to S is 270. So let me write here 270 into 150 is S minus A, 100 is S minus B, and 20 is S minus C. Okay, now observe carefully. Let me write this as 27. This becomes 15. Right? Now this 10 and 10 will become 100. Right? This 100 is already there, and this is 20. It means 2 into 10. Now what are we getting from here? Observe. This is 100. This is 100 in the root. So we'll have 100 comes out of the root. Now let us factorize this. 27 will be equals to, can I write it as 9 into 3? Yes. Can I write 15 as 3 into 5? Yes. Now what is left is 2 into 10. Okay. Now 9 comes out, 3 and 3. We have a pair, so again 3 comes out. Now when this 9 comes out, we are going to have 3. Now this is a pair, again we'll have 3. Now 5 to the 10. So what is basically remaining inside is 5 to the 10 into 10. So this will also be 10. So what we have is 3 3 is 9. 9 into 100 into 10. That will be equals to 9,000. Now we have the perimeter in terms of centimeters, all the sides in terms of centimeter. So can you tell me what will be the unit of area of the triangle? It will be centimeter square. Well students, I hope you have very well understood how have we find out area of the triangle here. Well, if you want solutions of all entire exercise, then download Eganeet app from Google Play Store, or you can also visit our website www.eganeet.com. Thank you.